William, Billy, dog, doggy, John, Jack. Do you know what these words are called? English is an interesting language. Imagine a tough-looking guy in a leather jacket. This is John. Same guy in a bunny costume. This is Johnny. Suddenly, our hardcore John sounds like a 5-year-old. Introducing diminutives. Little word transformers that make things sound cuter, smaller, or straight up confusing. Because I respect your time, in the next few minutes I will show you how English speakers shrink words for fun and turn normal names into total confusion. Diminutives in English. A diminutive makes things sound smaller and cuter. And English does this a lot. By the way, did you know that movie is shortened version of moving picture? Let's move on. The classic Y ending. Mom, mommy. Dad, daddy. John, Johnny. Slap Y into a word. Boom, you got a diminutive. Sounds cuter, right? Number 2, the let trick. Book, booklet. Pig, piglet. Piglet is a small pig. When English wants to make something mini-sized but not necessarily cuter, we can add let at the end. A booklet is not an adorable book. It is just a tiny, probably overpriced instruction manual you'll never read. For example, this is a manual for my dishwasher. You see, it's really small, so you can call it a booklet. Never read it. Never will. Nickname chaos. William, Billy. Robert, Bobby. Richard, Ricky. English also loves using diminutives for names, and sometimes it makes no sense. Like, how do you get Bill from William or Dick from Richard? I mean, who approved it? Number 4, Australian English. Breakfast, brekkie. Sunglasses, sunnies. McDonald's, Macca's.
What?
If English speakers like diminutives, Australians take it to the next level. They don't just use diminutives, they butcher words. Like McDonald's is now Macca's. Now let's talk about when not to use diminutives. Boss, bossy. Man, many. Now diminutives are fun, until they are not. Calling your boss bossy, well, might not be a good idea. Enjoy getting fired.
You are fired.
Calling a grown-up man many, good luck with that. Final thoughts. Whether you want to sound cute or friendly, diminutives are your best friend. Here's a list of more diminutives. Adding IE or Y. Cat, kitty. Bill, Billy. Sue, Susie. Wife, wifey. Adding let. Making things smaller, not necessarily cuter. Book, booklet. Pig, piglet. Star, starlet. A young, aspiring star. Nicknames that don't make sense but exist anyway. Robert, Bobby. Margaret, Maggie. Elizabeth, Liz. Lisa, Beth or Betsy. James, Jimmy. Charles, Charlie. Charles, Chuck. Australian diminutives. Chocolate, Chocky. Ambulance, Ambo. Journalist, Giorno. Some other unique diminutives. Grandpa, Grampy. Biscuit, Bicky. Cigarette, Siggy. Underwear, Undies. Diminutives make words sound smaller, cuter or casual, sometimes all three. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.